up shapes just right. Flowers flying, ovens hum. Shapy treats, here we come. Shapes, shapes all around. Circles, squares upon the ground. Triangles, stars, and hearts so true. Let's find shapes, me and you. Round and round, it never ends. No corners here, my circle friends. Flip it high up in the air. A perfect circle, round and fair. Four straight sides, all the same. Four corners too, that's its name. Square, square, stamped out flat, just like a little welcome mat. Two long sides and two sides small. Four straight corners, one and all. Rectangle, rectangle, flat and neat, like a banner or a treat. Shapes, shapes all around. Circles, squares upon the ground. Rectangles, stars, and hearts so true. Let's find shapes, me and you. 1, 2, 3 sides, count with me. 3 little corners, 1, 2, 3. Slice it up and point up high. A triangle treat beneath the sky. Long and round, a gentle egg. No straight sides and no straight edge. Oval, oval, smooth all through. A stretched out circle, just for you. 5 little points that twinkle bright. Star, oh star, my shining light. Sprinkle sugar, watch it glow. Twinkle, twinkle, high and low. 2 little bumps, 1 point below. Heart, sweetheart with lovely grow. Swirl it, nice and sweet. A heart-shaped treat, oh what a treat. Shapes, shapes all around. Circles, squares upon the ground. Rectangles, ovals, stars so true. Now you know your shapes. Woohoo! Bye-bye friends, that was fun.
So much fun!
We baked shapes, everyone. Come back soon, let's play some more. GoodBit Kids right through that door.